Hello each and everyone. So it's Chef Will here. Before I start my food blog, I just want you guys to check out my new channel. I'm asking you guys to subscribe. It's called Chef Will Explore. I'll drop the link in the description. So please, after this wonderful breakfast video, please go and check out my new channel, Chef Will Explore. Again, you'll see it in the description. All right, lots of great videos there. Welcome back to my channel, Will's Kitchen Table. Good morning, good morning. It's early morning. I'm gonna be making some breakfast potatoes this morning, so I just want to share this with you guys. It's really simple, quick recipe. Just gonna show you how I'm cutting my potatoes this way. Um, these are the mini white potatoes. Went out to farm and I get these nice and fresh. I was passing by, they're selling these beautiful potatoes and I just gotta grab some. So now I'm gonna be making a lovely breakfast dish with this to show you guys, or you can have it with whatever, but I'm gonna show you guys how simple this is. Just gonna cut them like this, nice and round. And just to make it really quick, what I'm gonna do is set these right in the microwave. I might have showed you guys already how to microwave your potatoes and get it done quickly. Alright, and that's it. So I'm just gonna get some water. So you can add about a quarter cup of water or a third of a cup of water inside of the potatoes like that, because you just want to get it nice and steam. And I'm just gonna set this in the microwave for 5 minutes. Just gonna get some saran wrap and just gonna wrap it like that. And this is gonna go in the microwave for 5 minutes. I said should be done in 5. It's okay. I got a piece of red onion right here. This is the amount I'm using. If you can see, if you cut this up, you get about quarter cup dice out of it. I'm just gonna do something like that. Yeah, that's roughly about quarter cup. And I'm just gonna set them in a bowl right here. These are gonna saute with the potatoes. Alright? And then we're gonna get right over to the stove. And right now we're gonna add some olive oil right inside the pot right here. I'll get this going. I just want to show you guys this beautiful olive oil I got here from Spain. I just want to shout out to Irene, a friend of ours from Spain, who brought us this beautiful olive oil. It's lovely. I'm just going to use it to make my potatoes. So shout out to Arun and her family. Alright, let's get this going. This is going hot. Right now I'm just going to remove the potatoes from the microwave. As you can hear, that just went off. And I'm going to drain them. Alright. Okay, so these are done and ready to go. Just going to get them right in the pot right now. So remove them from the microwave and drain them. I rinse them with a little bit of hot water from the kettle, get off some of that starchiness off of it so I can toss them properly inside my pan. Alright, this is sort of hot right now. I kind of drop the temperature so it doesn't go crazy on you when you put it in, because the potatoes, they're still wet, so And I can crank it up back to medium heat right now. Pass it around in the pan so you grease the bottom of your pan with the olive oil like that. That's it. Next thing we're going to do is add a little bit more olive oil on the top of the potato. This olive oil, it's so flavorful. Love it. Alright, so now I'm going to be adding some black pepper. See, about a quarter of a teaspoon of black pepper. Then I'm going to add a teaspoon of garlic powder. And right here, I got some pasta herbs right here. You can use it on your potatoes as well. It's really, really good. It has basil, oregano, and rosemary, some crushed red pepper. Smells so good. Some nice herbs to that. With a little bit of sea salt. It's just a pinch. So I want to add some of my red pepper, green pepper, and black pepper. Crush. Gonna give this a nice pass round in the pan. If you can't mix them around, you can use a spatula. I'll just show you guys. Just use a spatula and mix it like that. You really don't want to crush your potatoes, so let's try to give it a nice pass. Or mix it gently. Alright, so now we're going to add our onions right inside. Let them all cook and the flavors get to marry together. Give it a nice toss. So you can serve this up with some nice scrambled eggs or nice omelette, your choice, some bacon. You're good to go. And you can also add some red peppers to this, some green peppers, your choice. Make it your way. Alright, so we're just going to drop the temperature right now below medium, and we're going to run to the garden to grab some fresh Italian parsley to add to this. So we're going to the garden to get some fresh Italian parsley right here. This is so lovely, guys. Beautiful. Smells so good. I just need a couple of sprigs like that and I'm good to go. So we wash that parsley and dry it and ready to cut this up. Give it a nice rough chop. And that's done. Alright. Beautiful. Alright, so hope you guys can see right now. I'm just gonna add, got a quarter of a teaspoon of smoked paprika here. Sprinkle that over it. Then my fresh parsley. right over that. Give it a nice pass. It smells so good. Wow. These are lovely. Beautiful breakfast potatoes. If you guys can see that really close. This is money right here. So beautiful. And I'm gonna shut this off right now. I'm gonna make some eggs and I'm gonna plate this up and let you guys see the beauty of this breakfast. So this is how I'm gonna serve up this beautiful breakfast potatoes right in a bowl. Right in a bowl, guys. Serve it up like this. And then I'm gonna get some scrambled eggs I got right here. Get some bacon to top this off. This will be lovely. Looking beautiful. What I'm gonna do, put some parsley in that. Better can you get that? Lovely breakfast right here. I'm gonna dig into this and let you guys know how this is. Right here. And guys, it's also my birthday today. So guess what? But I just decided I have to do a video for you guys. I wanted to do this for a while. These beautiful breakfast potatoes recipe I got. It's lovely. I want you guys to try it out. All right. Wow. Wow. With the eggs. And they are so tender. Beautiful. The flavor. Lovely. Wow. So guys, don't forget some nice herb mix right here. As I said, I got rosemary, just parsley, and some oregano, red pepper, and there's a little bit of sea salt inside as well. So just be mindful when you're making these potatoes. Added salt, just be careful because it has salt. Although I don't have a lot inside, I didn't put too much, but this is beautiful. All right, lovely. And some garlic, you're good to go. You can add your own spices, make it your own way, but this is just a way of making a quick breakfast. I just wanted to share that with you guys. So just want to say thanks for watching again. Please like, share, subscribe to this channel if you're new, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. You'll know when I put up a new video. And again, share it, okay? Like I share this breakfast potatoes with you. Please share the recipe. Catch you in a new one.